In this tutorial, we're going to see if it is possible to rewatch or watch again the one-time photo on WhatsApp. So if you have been sent a one-time photo that can only be viewed once, we're going to see if you are able to take screenshots or save it to your gallery. Alright, so right here, I've been sent some one-time photos, so let's see. If I open it, it clearly says that it will disappear from the chat after you close it. You also can't share, forward, copy, save, or take screenshots of it. So if I tap OK and try to save it, there is no option to save right here. And if I try to take a screenshot, this app doesn't allow screenshots, so you are not allowed screenshots as well. So there is no way that you can save these photos once you have opened them. So as you can see, if I tap on three dots, there is no option to save. So and you cannot take screenshots as well. So it says the app doesn't allow screenshots. So if you want to send one-time photo as well, just simply tap on the camera icon, click the photo, and tap on this one icon right here. If you tap it, so it clearly says, now when you send view once message, the recipient can't take screenshot of it, or they can't even share, forward, or copy it. So you can just simply tap on send and your one-time photo will be sent. Yeah, so you cannot rewatch it or take screenshots. I hope you found this video informative. If you did so, please like the video and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.